Connect any creative tool to any site, and your assets sync automatically. No uploads, no plugins, no manual compression. Syncific is the first sync platform built for the AI-native web, with a patent-pending broker that connects your creative tools to every site you publish. Explore where your visual content originates, from professional tools to cloud storage. View all available integrations that connect seamlessly to your existing creative ecosystem. Connect directly to Lightroom, ensuring your professionally edited photos flow automatically to destinations. Sync one image or a batch. We'll show you what's current and what needs another push. Choose where your content lands: websites, portfolios, client galleries. Pick the destinations your content flows to automatically. Route this content to every client site simultaneously, eliminating manual uploads forever. Manage all your delivery endpoints, from WordPress sites to custom platforms. Expand your network by connecting new client sites or additional delivery channels. Add a destination: WordPress, Shopify, HubSpot, Contentful, Webflow, or any webhook endpoint. Organize clients and projects into collections for targeted content distribution strategies.